If you're planning on painting your brick wall, you'll need the right roller to get the job done. A regular roller won't be able to get into all the nooks and crannies of the brick, so you'll need a roller with a thick nap. In this video, we're going to review the 6 best rollers for painting brick. We'll also give you some tips on how to use a roller to paint brick, so you can get a professional-looking finish. Magimate Paint Roller Kit. This roller kit includes a variety of different rollers, perfect for a variety of painting projects. There are 2 large microfiber rollers with a 3x8-inch nap, 2 small microfiber rollers with a half-inch nap, and 2 thin velour rollers with a 1x4-inch nap. They also have a high-density nap that helps to prevent paint from dripping or splattering. Number 2. Nichiyo 7-inch Patterned Paint Rubber Roller. Whether you're working on walls, ceilings, furniture, or cabinets, this roller's got you covered. This roller uses a negative imprinting technique, which means it leaves a stunning impression on your project's surface as you roll it through wet material. It's crafted from high-quality, durable rubber, ensuring it can withstand repeated use without wearing down. This roller truly shines when rolled through products like texture medium, plasters, and glazes. Number 3. Tookie Embossed 8-inch Paint Roller. This roller is designed to create a faux brick look on walls, and it's a great option for DIYers who want to give their home a stylish makeover. It's easy to use, creates a realistic brick pattern, and is durable enough to last for years. It's made of a durable plastic material that can withstand repeated use. It has an 8-inch diameter, which makes it ideal for most walls. Number 4. Auniwaig 12.59-inch Patterned Paint Roller. The Auniwaig 12.59-inch Patterned Paint Roller is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use paint roller. It has a large, 12.59-inch roller head that can cover a lot of ground quickly. The roller is solvent-resistant, so it can be used with water-based or oil-based paints. The handle is extendable, so you can reach those hard-to-reach places. It's easy to clean and reusable, so you can save money on paint rollers in the long run. Number 5. Bates Foam Paint Roller Set. This set is a great option for anyone who is looking for a high-quality, affordable, and easy-to-use paint roller set. This roller set comes with a comprehensive 11-piece set. The roller frames are made of metal and are sturdy and easy to use. The Angel Paint Brush is perfect for getting into corners and tight spaces, and the high-density foam brush is great for applying paint to small areas. Number 6. HOSKO 6-feet Paint Roller Kits. These rollers are lint-free and won't shed, so you can paint without worrying about making a mess. The kit comes with 3 different roller covers, so you can choose the right one for the job. The 9.5-inch wide roller head makes for quick and easy application, and the reusable design means you can save money on paint rollers in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great tool ideas. And if you're looking for the best roller for painting brick, be sure to check out the links in the description below.